Welcome to Know Your Mobile. I'm Basil, this is the Sony Xperia Z, and you're watching our camera walkthrough. We're going to zoom in a little bit. Hopefully that'll focus, and now we can get going. Starting with the main user interface, we can see a shortcut to our old pictures, a shutter release button, a record button, and a camera toggle between front and rear facing camera. On the left side, starting at the bottom, we can see in the toolbox we can access our settings. These include resolution, flash, self-timer, smart shutter, quick launch, focus mode, exposure value, HDR mode, white balance, ISO, metering, image stabilizer, geotagging, auto upload, touch capture, shutter sound, and data storage. We can also toggle the flash, HDR mode on or off, and toggle exposure. If we tap up top, we can see we have various shooting modes. This one is Superior Auto. Superior Auto selects a scene and enables you to have all that automated for you. The options are far more limited, and the only thing you can really switch on and off is flash. If we change the view, for example, and pick it up, we can see it thinks we're reading a document now. You might be able to see that right there because of all the white. If we go back to the table and get the camera in frame, again we're back to macro, so it really is nice and smart, making decisions for you. If we flip to video camera, we can see again a range of shooting modes, so we can choose a scene, for example, to choose what scene is. We can also see HDR video, which is something that hasn't been available in the past, and that pulls out a lot of additional detail from your videos. There's a focus assist lamp, in video lamp, and you can see you can toggle a whole host of settings. These include scenes again, which is replicated there, full HD, photo light, self timer, quick launch, focus mode, exposure value, video HDR, white balance, metering, image stabilizer on or off, geotagging, microphone, touch capture, shutter, sound, and data storage. The microphone's an interesting one, and that's just literally a toggle on or off, so don't get your hopes up. You can't hook up an external microphone to this, or at least not to our knowledge. If we jump out of video mode, then we can see burst mode, and burst mode enables you to take 9 megapixel pictures at 10 frames per second, which is hugely impressive. So if we are to take a picture, there you go, that was about 10 pictures in 1 second. Very impressive. We can flip through them and see them all there. How about that? We can toggle a range of resolutions, and indeed it can go, I think, something like 40 frames per second if we drop the resolution to 720p. What you can also expect on the Sony Xperia Z is unlimited burst mode, so it won't actually run out, stop shooting until you run out of memory. If we tap on picture effects, we can see a grid of all the picture effect options. These include nostalgic, miniature, vivid, filter, fisheye, sketch, partial color, Harris shutter, and kaleidoscope. Once we tap through on one, we can very clearly see it gives us a live preview, updating very frequently, so it's a decent frame rate. Not anywhere near as good a frame rate as standard video, but it still looks great. If we want to choose the picture effect again, we can just tap that bottom left icon. Jumping out of that, we can pop over to our next mode, and that is Sweep Panorama. Sweep Panorama is something that we know and love and associate with Sony products. It's been copied by everyone else, however Sony was indeed the creator, and we can see if we tap the shutter button, and then we'll tap the button again. Oh, it couldn't shoot. Either way, you get the idea. You just sweep the actual phone around. You can use photo assist lamp on or off, and you get a long, nice panoramic image. You can do so right to left, left to right, up to down, down to up. Tapping through again, and we can hop over to scene mode. If you're not entirely happy with Intelligent Auto making all the decisions for you, you can flip to scene mode. This lets you pick an extensive array of scenes, ranging right through from food to pets to snow to, there are just lots, let's put it like that. If we jump out of scene mode, selection, we can see you can also toggle a few settings in that. None that actually affect the image quality or anything like that though, so that's all relatively automated. Jump out of that, and the final modes are front-facing camera and front-facing video, and we are not going to pop them open because you don't need to see our ugly mugs. So that has been a quick look through the Sony Xperia Z's user interface. We can zoom right out again, and say thank you for watching Know Your Mobile. If you've got any questions about the phone, please fire us a comment. We're happy to tinker more based on your suggestions. Subscribe to the video, to the channel if you like it, like the video if you like it, and feel free to check back often. We're updating the channel all the time. Thanks for watching.